Namaskaram. A meal is not complete without a salad. Presenting wholesome salad dishes is a must when serving Indian foods and meals. Every day we consume a variety of foods, but none are as vital as salads. Eating a balanced salad becomes vital for a life to function normally. A fantastic habit that should be adopted by everyone and anyone is eating healthy salads. Let us take a closer look at the numerous health advantages of freshly made raw salads. It is often believed that the nature of raw salads is quite sattvic in nature. Fresh salads are well known for being abundant in fiber and having a variety of necessary elements. Antioxidants from fresh salads are a great source of reducing oxidative stress in the body. Fresh raw salads are simple on our digestive system because they're quickly broken down. Add a couple of tablespoons of mixed raw or roasted seeds like pumpkin, sesame, sunflower, and ground flax or chia to boost your daily intake of good fats. The high levels of water found in the salad veggies improve hydration in our bodies, which is necessary for youthful skin tone and various basic bodily functions. Let us look into some easy to make, quick and delicious salad. An excellent source of vegan protein and immediate energy is sprouts, which are salads composed of sprouted moong, chickpeas or fenugreek seeds, along with some fresh vegetables, mild spices and seasonings. The next is carrot and pomegranate. Some freshly sliced carrots and some pomegranate seeds would make another delectable salad combination. The next is yellow lentil and cucumber. This traditional pairing of yellow cucumber, methi leaves and freshly squeezed lemon juice combined with boiling yellow lentil can make for a tasty and a very healthy and nutritious snack. Freshly grated beetroot with lemon. Beetroots are a great source of iron and lemon and is very high on vitamin C, which aids in body's absorption of iron. Therefore, eating freshly grated beetroot with lemon can be a suitable choice for someone who suffers particularly from anemia. The next is fruit salads. Because they include natural sugar, fresh and seasonal fruit salads are also very rich in nutrients and vitality. However, it is crucial to remember that only alkaline fruits should be used to make fruit salads and not citrus fruits. We hope this video will motivate you to eat more fresh and raw salads. Until next time, Pranam.